Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday and we are going to be unstuffing the monthly scratch off that we just completed. I think last week, I believe, or maybe 2 weeks ago, but it is the lucky money that we completed from Star Budgets and we saved $100. So we're going to be taking that $100 and we are going to be putting it somewhere else, you guys. So hopefully we can make this stretch, maybe complete some challenges. But we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. So first off, I think we should let's go ahead and do Dobby. Now I do have some exciting news. We did get a new puppy. He is also a corgi and his name is Oliver. He is brown and like a light brown and white color. And he is the cutest thing ever. Dobby does not know what to think right now. But hopefully they will be best buds. And I am super excited. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll probably see him, or Snapchat. You'll probably see them also. But I am super excited to add another corgi to our family. We've been talking about it for a couple of years now, that Dobby needs a friend, and it finally happened today, actually. All right, so first off, we are going to do, let's do just one of these, I believe. 5, 10, and since we have a new puppy, we need to buff this up as much as possible because 2 puppies are very expensive. So we are going to do 5. Actually, let's do, put a 20 in, take a 10 out. Let's just do that. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, and 45. So we have $45. And that doesn't add up to this, which I have no idea. So I'm going to have to figure that out as well. So we are going to just color in 1 bone. And then let's see, what else are we going to do? Let's go ahead and do this one. I'm going to go ahead and put $40 in this one because we want to buff this up as well. Or maybe I should do 30. Let's actually do 30. $30, and if something changes, then we will add to it. If I have any leftover money or anything like that, we'll add to that. So $30, and that is going to go into a rainy day. And I do not count this because I like to be surprised. I think we saved $380 something last time, which is awesome. And this time I'm hoping to get past $500. So let's see, what else do you want to do? I know I do want to play the Shut the Box, but I also have another game I want to play, actually. We're going to do $5 on this one. We're almost done with this one. Almost. And we could possibly finish this today, but I kind of want to do some other things first. So we're going to go and see after. So we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. So $70 out of $85. And this is the sunflower challenge that I got from Jamie's Realistic Life. And of course, I will link her stuff down below. And then I want to do this scratch off from the Almost Organized Owl. She is amazing, and I absolutely just love this scratch off. It's very durable. I was a little scared about the $20 and $15, but let's go ahead and scratch something off. $3, which is awesome. I do have $3, but we are going to go ahead and scratch off one more. this is $3 as well. So that's $6. I think, let's scratch off one more. 5. Okay, so I think that is perfect. So 3 plus 3 plus 5 equals $11. So we can just go ahead and do the $11. And let's see, probably break this actually. Let's break some, let's do this. So we have 10 and then 2 5s right there. And we're actually almost done with this. So we saved $80 on this one, and we have 20, 40, 60, 65, and 66. So $66 out of 80. All right, so let's go ahead and play Shut the Box real quick because I want to. That one's off the field. So we have 12. And I am getting my highlighters. So let's do 9, 10, 11, 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 6 and 4. I might regret that. 5, 6, 7. 4, 5. Okay, see if I can shut the box. I probably will not. 5, 6, 7. That is not it. So we will have to do an 8, 9, 10, and 11. So that is $11. So 10 and 11. And we're going to go ahead and play one more time. So we have 3 and 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6. 3. Okay, I need to get rid of the big numbers. 6, 7, 8. 12. Ooh, 9. Oh no, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nope. 5, 6, 7. Nope. Okay, so we have, ooh, this one's a big one. 9, 5, 2, and 1. Let's see. 9, 5, 2, and 1. $17. Is that right? Let me double check that. 9 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 equals 17. So $17. Let's see if I have $3 out of the Shut the Box that I can just put $3 or put a 20 in. Shut the Box. Let's see. Oh, 1, 2, 3. $3, so we'll put the 20, and then there is another one right there. All right, perfect. So we have 20, 30, 40, and 41. So we have $41 right now. And I'm just going to add this just in case, just to make sure. 42, oh, 41. Let me make sure. 13 plus 11 plus 17. 41. So we need to take $1 out of Shut the Box. Let's see. 20, 30, 40. Oh, 41. Why did I say 40? It was 42. All right. So we are done with that. And we're going to go ahead and do this scratch off, which is also from Star Budgets. I love all of her scratch offs. So we are going to go ahead and scratch off this one. So that is 3 and 5. So perfect. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we will not count this because I want to be surprised at how much this is as well. Okay. And let's see, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have $8 left. So let's go back to the purple binder and do one more of this. So we will only need $10 left to complete this one, which is super exciting. And then the last $3 I actually want to put in debt, because we need to start saving because the student loans is coming back at the end of October. 1, 2, 3. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use this for either student loans or make a payment of my credit card statement. So I have no idea which one I was going to do. So let me know down in the comments below. What do you think I should do? Keep saving it until October and then make a big chunk payment for student loans, or make a payment on the credit card loan? So let me know down below. So we have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, and 92. So $392. And that is it, you guys. So we unstuffed $100 from the monthly challenge, and we restuffed it into all sorts of challenges. We almost finished a challenge, but I wanted to stuff some other things. But anyways, I love you guys, and thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. And let me know about what I should do with my debt money in my debt envelope. But anyways, I love you guys, and thank you so much. And I will see you guys on Tuesday for another money challenge. Bye, you guys.